Imagine a bird so strange it had no enemies until humans showed up. The dodo's extinction is one of history's biggest natural mysteries. Before we reveal what happened, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more amazing animal facts. The dodo was a flightless bird found only on Mauritius Island. It stood about 3 feet tall and weighed nearly 15 kilograms. With no predators around, it never learned to fear anything, even humans. But when sailors arrived, they brought rats, pigs, and monkeys that raided dodo nests. The friendly dodo couldn't fight back, and in less than 100 years, it was completely wiped out. Today, the dodo reminds us how quickly humans can change the fate of a species. Nature is full of stories like this, tragic, powerful, and eye-opening. Don't miss out. Subscribe now to discover more.